Okay, today I'm going to show you a wonderful grandfather's clock. This is a superb Horner Brothers case, which contains a Tiffany and Company movement. This is an outstanding grandfather's clock. Look at the workmanship. It's just gorgeous. This clock has been serviced by a professional clocksmith. As you can see, it's working beautifully. The case was professionally French polished and is in extraordinary condition. Look at the shine and the luster of the case. Just gorgeous. No damages, no repairs on this clock. See some mother of pearl inlay. Real nice color of mahogany. Horner Brothers used to make a lot of furniture like this, and they used to make a lot of clocks for Tiffany. If you have any questions about this clock, feel free to ask for David. You may call at 215-749-2104. I'll be happy to help you with this clock. Thank you.